ain't chained down. It just comes and drifts away. Yeah.
Right, good morning. Day 4. Had a problem yesterday, as you've explained. So we've let the bike dry overnight. It shouldn't be, I'm not expecting it to be fully dry. I think it'll be still, the error will still be there and all that jazz. So I disconnected the battery yesterday, left it overnight just to get rid of all the codes. I think it will just come straight back up. It's sporadically starting and not starting. So we're gonna just ride on, hope for the best and hope it dries out. Worst case scenario, breakdown cover. So I'm gonna reconnect the battery now. And yeah, that's that. I'm gonna warm it up as well probably just to get more heat going through it quickly. It's not exactly boiling down here, so it needs to be out in the sun, getting the sun on it to dry out, I think. But let's hope for the best. Aprilias don't seem to like getting wet, so especially this one. According to I put a post up asking on Facebook, and yeah, they said, yeah, so a couple of people said my Tuono gets wet and it just literally does exactly the same thing. So it's a short somewhere, it's a design fault, shock. But yeah, happy Italian bike. It's not a good sign, but it will start. Right, the plan today with my bike and its problems, we're going to go to Andorra. So I've got a red light on, I've got no ABS, no traction control and all that jazz, but it's useful but not necessary. I think it's going to dry out, that's what I'm pinning my hopes on. So we're going to Andorra, it's 440 kilometers, so hopefully it dries it out. The only thing is, I'm going to make sure that Street Fun. We're going to make sure that the ignition doesn't turn off, essentially, because when I turn the screen on, there's a short and the screen doesn't always work. So if I don't ever turn it off once it's started, just use the kill switch, we should be golden. So that's the plan until it works. Enjoy the roads, see you there. Right, welcome to Andorra. My speed's come back on. Traction control is working. Andorra is a hot place. But we're getting out of here now. I'm going to take the battery out when we stop for lunch, and hopefully that fixes it. We'll see. Disconnected the battery, no code. Dry as a bone and filthy.
Hello there.